This thing smells exactly like you would think it smells. It does.
Smells like 1978.
It does. So we are in Elkhart, Indiana, and we just got to the RV Motorhome Hall of Fame.
Yeah, we were here for a tour of Grand Design and do a little bit of work with those guys, and we figured we got to see,
Yeah.
we have to see the RV Hall of Fame.
Yeah.
It's right here. After all, it's like 5 minutes from our campsite at Elkhart Campground. We're gonna go check it out.
That's right, and we're kind of excited to see some of these first RVs and all that stuff.
Yeah, we're not really entirely sure what's in here. We saw some pictures of some old RVs and stuff, so we're gonna check it out. It should be pretty cool. Let's go inside.
Yep, let's go.
It's an RV.
Look, there's 8 trucks. This is awesome.
It's got 4 little bunks there.
Look, it comes with a pack of gum. Does this remind you of being a kid?
Nope.
What do you mean? The decor and
Oh,
stuff?
the decor, yeah. I was never in this RV as a kid, but yeah, the this 70s gold and green.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Middle of the road, it's just a feeling of a distant melody unknown. I was doing fine, I minded my own business till the day you took me home. Came in my life, I wanna see your face. Never will I be the same again.
This van thing is a lot of space.
Yellowed in the sun, longing to be seen. So come and hide with me, hide with me, hide with me. Come and hide with me, hide with me, hide with me.
So what do you think of the 1950 Fleetwood Sporter?
Well, let me tell you, the pantry slash closet slash wardrobe is big, but it smells like
1950?
1950. Yeah.
I'm not sure this furnace, by all this wood, is that safe. Look, it comes with 3 rolls, dinner rolls.
Comes with 3 rolls.
Hide with me, hide with me, hide with me. Come and hide.
I think I found the perfect thing.
Oh,
This thing,
Daisy?
This thing right here, yeah. We can double tow, and Daisy can have her own RV.
Yeah, or it could be the guest suite.
That's true.
This little thing right here. 1957, what is it? Sarah Scotty.
I don't know what's on your mind, but I know that it's something about you and me. I'll stay here for as long as I can, through the storms and through the calm. When you smile at me, I slowly begin to realize that you are the one.
So what? This is like a trailer that turns into a tent?
Yeah.
This is weird.
And you know I'll walk 1,000,000 miles for you. You said summer will be over soon. Would you still like to hang around?
Some sweet linoleum in here.
The linoleum was big.
Yeah, it's the olive green.
It's got this big bench seat. It's so cool. This is like the first class, one of the first class C's.
Cold, naked, lost in faith. And what's an island without a sea? For you, I'll hold the way.
Hey, this one has a full shower and tub. Look at that.
Sneak a note in your pocket, and I'll leave with your smile in my mind. Wherever we will end up, I will love it. 'Cause you're mine, 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 mine. And you know I'll walk 1,000,000 miles for you.
How's it going, Bob? Got a good hand there.
Yeah,
Nothing?
He's not a good poker player.
I got nothing. You got a good poker face.
Check out that thing.
Are you sure this one's not your favorite?
I don't know. Gotta go.
I mean, it is stripes after all.
Yeah, I gotta go inside and take a look.
This is cool.
Gotta love that 70s carpet. Our rig has a Rockford Fosgate. This one's got the 8-track. I've had plenty of 8-tracks. You can have in any 70s color you want.
That was fun.
What'd you think?
I liked it.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. I mean, it's A lot of really old stuff. What was your favorite? The
Well, I like,
1916?
yeah, I like the 1916 telescoping one because it has like slide outs.
Yeah,
drawers in it.
With wood tongue and groove slide outs.
Yeah,
Pretty
yeah,
cool.
it was really cool. I just thought some of the much older ones were interesting.
Yeah, I liked the that very futuristic one. Remember?
I don't know. I thought you liked Stripes.
I like the stripes.
1974, the year of my birth.
I was 6.
Yeah. If you are in Elkhart, I recommend it because it's just
Yeah, it's really
interesting.
neat.
It's only $12. There's a lot going on inside. You can get into most of the RVs that they have in there. There's some that are roped off, but
And the ones you can't walk into, you can poke your head in and look around and get a good
Yeah.
feel for what the thing is like. So
yeah.
it's pretty neat.
I really liked it. I think that this kind of just wrapped up our whole Grand Design RV factory tour.
Yeah.
And this just kind of was a fun little side adventure that we did, and I enjoyed it, and I think you should come check it out if you're in the area.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah. Till next time.
See ya.